Please remain seated.
You broke
The
it!
chairlift will resume
Lily Bell,
moving
you
momentarily.
broke it! I know, I think it was to actually get Beth on.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
You'll be fine. It's fun. Hi.
Remember, you got to ski off.
No, it's okay.
You have to ski off.
Oh, stop scaring me, will you please? I don't have a ski.
It's right underneath you.
There they are.
Sorry.
Sorry. Gotta get the good picture. Yeah.
Go ahead, just go. No, it's your spot. It's your spot. Go.
You can get closer.
No, we're good. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, guys, smile this way. It's your only chance. Meg, smile. Smile, smile, smile. It was fun? It was fun?
Kobe, you should come on it this time.
It was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Karen says not fun? What does Mommy say?
2 thumbs up. Bobby should do it. Bobby should do it. Hardest part is getting in and getting out.
Can me, you, and Meg do it by yourself?
How about you? Did you have fun? No.
Go.
Over here. Gotta go to with Mommy. Yeah. Let's go.
We're live.
Go back and do it again in a little bit. Let's go with that.
Burger, no bun.
Burger, no bun.
If they ever look at it,
Stop it. Stop it.
You want a hamburger?
every day I say
Liz, you want a hamburger?
You can go sit at the
A
chair.
hamburger or corn dog? Like, I'm just saying either or of any of these. Hamburger, corn dog, cheeseburger, or BLT.
when you get a hot dog.
Ooh, hot dog.